Welcome to the demo of IT Vendor Spend Analysis Dashboard, a powerful tool designed by Perceptive Analytics to help businesses understand the spread of IT expenditures across the company. This is the dashboard we created for a client in the food manufacturing industry. It is designed for executive and IT leadership to analyze IT spend search. It gives visibility into expenditure searches, enabling the IT team to optimize resourcing and manage budgets efficiently. The dashboard investigates monthly IT spend, comparing this year's trend against the previous, spotlighting months where expenditure went overboard. It then follows the trail with a breakdown of expenses by budget categories, moves to the vendors supplying them, and uncovers the costly products that led to the spike over last year numbers. At the top, the dashboard reflects updates to the latest refresh date. Right below, the time period filter controls the data scope. Selecting current year shows data for the year 2023, while the comparisons adjust automatically. Any expenditure incurred to the company is categorized, mapped to the supplying vendor, and associated with the requester, making it easy to trace the source and intent of spending. In 2023, IT spending climbed to $1.1 million, up by 27% from last year. The spend was spread across 20 vendors, 2 more from the previous year, where average spending per vendor rose by 14%, touching nearly $55,000. Meanwhile, purchase requests fell by 9%. Fewer orders but fatter deals. This shift hints at vendor consolidation, with bulkier contracts and tighter control over sourcing. Zooming into the monthly trend, November clearly stands out with the highest spending at $176,000, surpassing all prior months. To explore this further, we'll switch the time period filter to current month, narrowing the data to November 2023. We then drill into expense categories, spotlighting higher growth rates in the previous year. 2 categories clearly drive the search: network infrastructure hardware and system maintenance and repair, contributing nearly $150,000 combined. Hardware alone saw a 648% increase over the same period last year. Clicking on this category reveals the vendors behind the spend. 3 vendors stand out. While NovaSpark Technologies lead with over $50,000, it's Virtuoso Tech Systems that draws attention. Their spend shot up to nearly $40,000 in November alone, a sharp deviation from their past trend. This sudden spike raises a red flag, possibly a one-time or unplanned expense. Clicking on the vendor shows that nearly all their spending went into laptop replacements and purchase. This points to new hires and planned device upgrades by the firm. To check further, the dashboard lets us see the purchase with requester names, item details, and linked invoice numbers, which opens to the source invoice. With this dashboard, executives can track monthly spending to identify searches, uncover root causes behind high costs, review source invoices for authentic analysis, and make informed proactive budget decisions. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.